I'm the children's chef, Brother Ben! And today, this is my mom supervising me today inside the kitchen as I prepare one of my favorite Uncle Ben's rice recipes, OMG, inside the kitchen today. Thank you.
Hi, America.
My parents both work, my sister plays in a marching band, and I play soccer and basketball. That's why we need a nutritional and easy meal to make during dinner time. It doesn't matter if you warm up Uncle Ben's ready rice inside the microwave or on the stovetop. It comes out perfect every time. Today I'll make a volcano-shaped rice dish using Uncle Ben's Jasmine ready rice. Some flounder fish fillets and scallops, red kidney beans, and vegetables, including our carrots and lettuce, plus our shredded cheese. Step 1. We crack our egg inside the bowl. And then we add our seasoning. And then we whisk it. And then we take our flounder fish and we dip it inside of our egg mixture. And you always got to make sure that you get both sides.
Turn our stove on medium-high. Benjamin, that's about 8. Yep. Okay, and we're going to take 2 capfuls of olive oil. 1
and 2. Now after 2 minutes, I'm flipping our fish. Now I will prepare the vegetables for the Uncle Ben's ready rice volcano dish. I'm going to take our canned red kidney beans and put them inside the microwave for 90 seconds. I'm Brother Ben, the children's chef. Thank you for watching my Uncle Ben's Ready Rice Volcano Dish video.